Right, in this video, just going to be unboxing this GameSir G7 SE. It's about £40, 37 I think it was on eBay, free postage. It's a wide controller, so it's apparently gamers really rate this one because it's got very low response time, which means it's very quick. And also I think proper gamers, they prefer wired controllers these days rather than wireless, because there's delay in Bluetooth and delay in wireless. It's got 1 month's Game Pass, so I've not opened this, so probably got a Game Pass thing in there. 1 month's free Game Pass. So I can't really give you a review in this episode, maybe in the future one, possibly. Plenty of reviews out there for this product. Really rated by Linux Tech Gear. It's in Japanese. Hang on a minute, it's made in Japan now. It must be made in China, right? It's got loads of Japanese in it, very little Chinese. So it's got wired plug and play, 3.5 audio jack, microphone, mute button. Okay, didn't think I'd have that. Detachable dongle. No, detachable 3-meter USB cable. Right, okay. Hall effect sensing sticks. Oh yeah, so with this technology it can eliminate stick drift. Use magnets apparently, not micro switches. It's got vibration mapping. You can map the triggers, map the buttons, trigger. Can't really. Hall effect, responsive membrane buttons. Hall effect, 3D joystick, anti-friction glide. So apparently, really rated, as far as I know. Highly rated. Got that. Very basic packaging. It's got like a stop you from damaging the controls. They feel kind of normal. They don't come off. There's no adjustable or anything there. GameSir G7 SE. Pretty standard. Oh, this is different. There's a couple of buttons at the back. Trigger. And I think I've heard if you click on this, not sure what it does. You have to check out other reviews. I'm not going to review it. Some gamepads, when you do this, it locks the triggers, and you can use the micro switches instead of triggers. So I don't exactly know what. That's it, really. Comes with that. GameSir, not sure what that is. Some sticker. Game Pass, scratchy. Ultimate. Warranty. You got this is the cable, fabric cable, woven. Right, that's it really. Nice. Well, we've done that. Apparently it's a really good one. Can't wait to test it on the xBox. We've got. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe button. So 37 for a professional quality controller for the Xbox specifically. You can use it for PC as well apparently, but specifically for the Xbox. Thanks for watching. So the fine controls are really good, I would say. Straight out of the box, it plugs straight into the Xbox. Couple of button presses and it works. Look, very minute. In this game, I've used kind of average controllers and it's actually very stationary. Well, I have got it on a bipod, but normally this game is, you know, shifting around. I wonder if they've got some mechanism to steady it. I'm not sure. It's like rock solid. Normally I have to hold my breath to do that. That's rock solid. Now I'm really looking for because I know there's vibration controls on the trigger, both triggers, left and right